Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I will show you how to enable and disable Telnet on Windows 11 using the command prompt. Telnet is a network protocol that allows you to connect to remote systems and devices over a command line interface. It's often used for testing network services, managing servers, or troubleshooting connectivity issues. While it's an older protocol and lacks encryption, it's still handy for certain administrative tasks or connecting to legacy systems. And to enable Telnet on Windows 11 using the command prompt, open a command prompt window as an administrator. Then, enter the command that appears on the screen. I will leave you the command in the video description. After you finish entering the command correctly, press the Enter button to execute the command to enable the Telnet feature on Windows 11. Executing the command may take a minute. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, you will see a message confirming that the Telnet client has been successfully enabled. After successfully enabling the Telnet feature, you can verify this using the Telnet command. Enter the Telnet command and press Enter to see the indicator on Microsoft Telnet, which means that the Telnet feature has been enabled and you can use it. And to exit from Telnet mode, type the command Quit and press Enter. I will now explain to you how to disable the Telnet feature when you do not need it on your computer. Enter the command that appears in front of you on the screen. It is the same command that we entered when enabling the feature, but in this command, enter Disable instead of Enable, and press Enter to execute the command to disable the Telnet feature. And wait until the process is complete, and a confirmation message will appear stating that the Telnet feature has been disabled on Windows 11. And to check whether the feature has actually been disabled or not, enter the Telnet command and press the Enter button to execute the command. It should not take you to Telnet mode because the feature has already been successfully disabled. And that's all in today's tutorial. And remember that Telnet is a powerful tool, but should be used with caution because it lacks encryption, which makes it less secure for sensitive tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more IT tutorials, and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.